Hello and welcome, learners, fellow tour guide community members. Welcome back after a long time. First of all, I am going to tell sorry that I came with you after a long gap of many days or months. Today, in this YouTube video session series of tour guide, I am going to talk about heritage walk. Once we are talking about heritage walk, it is indeed a matter of a great preparation for the individuals or professional tour guides to prepare with the heritage walks. Heritage walks are nowadays very important tourism related assignment, which is an essential concept related to doing a recce of a group of monuments in a nutshell way, by which you are making a group walk. Therefore, you need to take care certain things. Thing number one, first of all, you need to prepare yourself mentally and physically to be assess that particular site in a one go. That is called, whatever it may be the length or breadth, or whatever it may be the strength, or maybe the area of that particular heritage walk. You need to aware yourself what to do, how to do, and obviously when to do, when to talk, what to show, and how to showcase that particular heritage. Number two, the thing that you need to take care is, once you are talking in a heritage walking tour, what would be the prospect you need to take care in terms of walking tours. Because making any tour successful, especially once you are walking or the group is walking, it should be covered by your art of managing your group. Third thing, if you're talking about the heritage sites, especially the walk, you need to deal with the chronology, the architectural facade, the history, and the propagation of that particular area where you are visiting or your group is visiting for. Followed by, you also need to make the stories for yourself, so that you may be able to justify those stories or storylines by which you may contribute to your communicating. Essential part of your commentary should be, you need to be very vocal, but simultaneously you need to be very audible also. My summation would be, once you are walking, need to walk and talk. Therefore, there should be rhythm of talking and taking pause, and then you need to give the group a saying. Likewise, oh come on, oh you may take that side, oh you may have this site of idea about that particular site, there is a story. There should be an identification of certain points by a tourist guide, that here we can take up stop, and probably we can sit, probably we can have the photograph, or we can have the conversation that of question answering nature. So it is certain set of whole package to a tour guide once you are talking about heritage walk. Heritage walk is always a challenging task to be confined by the tourist or tourist guide itself, because it is tedious. It is having a lot of propagation to propositions of the area to be showcased, and therefore you need to be selective enough. It may not be possible to anyone or everyone that one can showcase 7-kilometer stretch or 8-kilometer stretch as a whole. Therefore, you need to select certain points, certain areas, and certain referencing point in terms of their comfort, your comfort, and comfort of the tour itinerary. Though this is an idea only by which I am providing you some suggestions, it may be fair enough for all of you. As a tourism professional, you need to deal with and go through a good literature and follow the norms of the specific heritage site also, because it is not always possible for you to go through the site at one go. Therefore, there are certain bits and pieces that you need to cover in your commentary, your saying, your doing. Lastly, you need to be energetic enough. You need to fill with a lot of positivity, hope, and that can channelize and help you to do better. I hope you liked this particular video. Again, as I came late after a long time to you on this sort of topics, shall be able to continue with you. Therefore, I, Dr. Amit Tiwari, thanks you a lot to be a part of my this series once again. Stay in touch, and keep a good look on my videos. If you are liking them, please comment, share, subscribe, and motivate me to do this sort of work. So going to meet you again for some other important relevant topics on tour guides. Till then, thank you, goodbye.